Hello to all my lovely viewers and subscribers. Today I want to talk about Tangled. What is it, why it's different from other social networks, and how Millix, also known as MLX, plays a part in Tangled. And before I go any further, I want to say that this video is not considered financial advice and for you to do your own research before you take part in any project. Now, let's begin. So what is Millix? So this is the white paper off of the millix.org website. And I'm just going to touch briefly on different things real quick. First off, Millix is an open source cryptocurrency project. Millix is fully decentralized, designed for simplicity, transacts at very high speed and very large scale. Work began on the project in spring of 2018 by a diverse group of developers and business professionals. Their motivation to create a cryptocurrency protocol with the use case potential of Millix came from their backgrounds building social network platforms, content management systems, e-commerce systems, data distribution systems, online financial services, communication services, affiliate marketing, manufacturing and logistics operations, gaming platforms, accounting, and legal practices. Fundamentally, there was a recognition that all activity benefits from trusted transactions at scale. And it goes into a few more things here over the economy, the technology part of it. Unlike blockchain cryptocurrencies, Millix is built on the logic of directed acyclic graph. I cannot ever say that word right. For transaction speed and capacity that increases as more transactions and users are added. Millix's original work and was not built on a copied code base of existing work, has no points of centralization, no design bottlenecks, no hierarchy of participants of capabilities, and Millix data is natively, that says sharded. I don't know if that's a typo or not, but I'll say what it says. The initial Millix roadmap consisted of the following themes: base organization and functionality, connecting Millix protocol to machines for large-scale transactions, large-scale transaction speed and storage, a community of earning, store and own your personal data. Now, this is a timeline that they have. They haven't added any more stuff to the timeline. They definitely need to, because this stops at 2022. But I know that the project is still going and pretty strong, as you will find out when I go further in this video. In 2018, the development began. In 2019, build, test, and break. In 2020, Genesis event, January 20th, a total supply of 9 quadrillion Millix created. Proven DAG operates without centralization. In 2021, Millix.com is first layer 2 application. Millix runs on Raspberry Pi. Achieved blockchain style state of the network. Tangled browser is second layer 2 app. Public beta release December 21st of 21. In 2022, there was 1 millionth Millix transaction, greater than 100,000 transactions in one day. If for advertisers, there was greater than 200,000 payments per day. 14,000 plus nodes installed on the network. TangledTrivia.com is third app built on Millix. CobraHelix.com is fourth app built on Millix. Swapland.io is fifth app built on Millix. Nodes operate in light mode. Data stored on the DAG. NFTs stored using Millix. Tangled Social is sixth app built on Millix. And we're going to touch on the social part here briefly in a second, because that's the other part of this video that I want to cover. Wrapped Millix bridge between Millix and Ethereum. Now to get started, Millix is available to download for Windows, Mac, and Linux at millix.org/client. What is Millix? Just to kind of break it down. Millix is an open source project meant to provide utility as a simple, high-speed, large-scale, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency with no organizational or functional centralization. MLX is the cryptocurrency design for the Millix project. Now you can earn Millix by participating in the Millix network ecosystem. Future exchange listings are planned and will be announced here. Last I heard, they were working on TradingView and also working on a CEX, but I haven't heard anything else about that since then. That was a couple weeks ago that I heard about it. But anyways, so now let's see here. Something I want to touch on kinda is these banners up here that I was looking at. So Millix, it's not a blockchain protocol, fork, clone, or another ERC20 token. Millix is a directed, whatever that word is, graph or tangled protocol built from scratch for speed and scalability. On the DAG, no hierarchy, gatekeepers, specialized or trusted coordinators. Each node can create, store, and validate transactions. Transactions are validated by consensus with near zero fees. Millix has 7 repositories available on GitHub, so I'm assuming it says open source. Now, this is a graph from January 5th, 2023, so this is not updated to the most recent anymore. But so people are running nodes in 153 countries. Millix.com account holders are in 179 countries. Tangled Social users are in 132 countries. And in North America, we were at 23% global node share as of 2023. I'm sure it's went up because I didn't know about this project until a year ago. And so that 23% is no longer correct. A lot of these are no longer correct. But just to kind of tell you where we have came from, North America was 23%, Central America 1%, South America 2%, Africa 10%, Europe 32%, Middle East 1%, Oceania 1%, and Asia 24%. So I mean, and the bigger, let's see here. So the blue circle is nodes, and the purplish circle is Millix.com users. So it looks like North America, parts of Africa, and Europe are the 3 that have the most nodes, Millix nodes. As far as Millix.com users, it's kind of spread out there. So anyways, I thought that was pretty cool. Now, as of January 4th of 2023, the price of Millix was $5.07. And if you look at the top right of the screen, you're going to see a chart that I have pulled off of Fiat Leap. That's the live price. So we were 507 January 4th of 2023. We are 3 times that now. The price has went up pretty quick over the past couple months. So that's something to keep in mind. Market cap is 4.5 billion. There's definitely, now that was, again, these are all as of January 4th of 2023. We've definitely had more nodes installed. So the 14,000, all of this is outdated. So, but the stats and numbers have gone up. They've definitely not decreased. And then kind of like the Millix advantage, it's scalable. Unlike other projects this larger, the Millix network grows, the faster it becomes. Low carbon footprints. Millix has no mining, full and light node option. Validation difficulty never increases. Millix uses idle, low power computing resources as small as a Raspberry Pi. Millix solves transactions via consensus validation versus complicated mathematical equations in blockchain races. So this Millix.org has a whole lot of information to really help you understand more about Millix. So now let's get over to Tangled. Now that I've talked, enough about Millix, let's get to Tangled. what is Tangled and how is it different from other social networks? So let me pull up my Tangled profile. All right, so Tangled is a social networking site where you can post status updates, photos, videos, and do live streams similar to other social networks. However, the difference is Tangled is part of Web3, which refers to the integration of blockchain technologies into everyday internet activities that rewards you Millix, native token MLX. It's still real early to get in on the project, as you can tell from the live fiat leak price chart at the top right of the screen, which I pointed out earlier. Now with Tangled, you are rewarded MLX for your activity every day. When someone clicks on a reaction to your post, you're rewarded MLX. They have a browser you can download and get rewards each hour for using their browser. This is my current profile on Tangled Social, and this is my more recent post from a few days ago, which we'll go into it right now. I need to get some more stuff going on there. I've been busy with work the past few days, so it's kind of messed me up. Anyways, if I click on the eye icon, goodness, I can't even talk. The eye icon, and then click on show stats, it will tell me how many views that post has had, the engagement, my earnings, where people have gave it a heart, a comment. Some people will laugh at a post just to give you more MLX for you to earn. So I got 5,000 paid to me from someone commenting. So it's pretty cool. Thought that was pretty awesome. Now to download the Tangled browser, you would just click on download right here. Let's see here. Download and then download browser. Then you select, which operating system you have, and then you can download it from there. Now you may have noticed that they have a Android and an iPhone app as well for you to use on mobile devices. The browser setup is very similar to the Chrome browser. I'm actually using the Tangled browser right now in this video, and the Tangled browser also serves as a node. I currently receive 100,000 Millix each hour that I'm active on Tangled using the Tangled browser. Also, you can't see it in the video, but at the top of the Tangled browser, there's like a 2-line ad. It's not like videos or images or anything. It's literally just a text. And I get paid for each ad that shows up. Last night, I got close to 1 million Millix. Just literally for having my browser up, just on standby. Like I was asleep and I was earning Millix while I was sleeping, just to have the browser pulled up on my computer. So it's pretty cool. Now the best feature of all when it comes to rewards is when you refer others. You get rewarded for their activity as well. Sometimes you will come across activities that other users are doing for you to be rewarded extra. Usually those are like a watch and earn or something like that. Like if somebody's doing a live stream on Tangled or whatever. With your rewards, you can use them to put on the exchange where you can sell them. You can sell your Millix for USDC. Now you can also buy Millix through this exchange. Now to do it you'll need to buy USDC on the Polygon network with Kraken, Coinbase, or any other exchange that would support buying USDC on the Polygon network, and then have it sent to a USDC address on Tangled. And to find your USDC address, let me just go ahead and go home. You can go to Millix dashboard, and that right there is your USDC address for sending to the Tangled network if you were wanting to use the exchange. Sorry, I'm trying not to get lost here. I'll do a video that will go into more detail about that later. Some things I don't like to do a live feed of or a live video of, so I'll do a live, or not a live video, but I'll do another video that goes into more details of how to do stuff regarding that in another video. So anyways, so I am currently sending those who sign up with my referral link posted at the bottom of the screen. Oops, sorry, I forget. I was gonna say it's to my left, but in the video I need to point right if I'm wanting to. Anyways, it's to my left. If you want to sign up with that URL, be sure to reach out to me at bgoins86 on Tangled after you sign up to receive your tip. You can also scan the QR code located at the bottom right of this video. Just be sure to message me after signing up for me to send you your tip. So anyways, thanks for watching. And if you want to keep up with me on Blue Sky Social, YouTube, Twitter, also known as X, or Tangled, you'll find my IDs for each of those listed on the right of the screen. Like, subscribe, and share this video with others. If you have any suggested projects for me to look into for future videos, please comment them below, along with any other comments you may have for me. Thanks again for watching, and as always, remember, please do your own research.